This is a great opportunity to improve mental health care services in the country, and I'm very grateful that this announcement has been made in the budget. As you all know, there's a huge treatment gap for mental disorders, and therefore it's very important to reach mental health care to people, particularly in underserved areas. With a deficiency in highly qualified mental health care professionals, it's important that we develop the capacity to address the mental health problems of people all over the country. So this 24/7 helpline will have trained counselors who will listen to people's mental health problems, give them advice, identify their severe problems which need urgent attention, and we will also this way develop a complete networking of mental health services in every state and union territory so that every person with mental health concerns can be helped.